Oh, you're filming.
I am.
Well, where we're at today, this is a little place on the Wildcat Creek called Adams Mill. First time I've ever been here. We're gonna go down there and see if we can't pull some smallmouth out of this little wildcat.
Nice little stairs and access to the water.
What are you doing yet?
Oh, we're just getting down there.
Just getting down there?
Just getting ready to start.
Good luck. Out of here.
I'm just carrying the vest on me today. We got one pull apiece. Going with some wacky rigs out here. Today we're just going with 2 spinner rods and monofilament.
Such a gentleman.
Turd.
A turd?
Turd is the word. Swell and swell. Man, it's nice and cool. Yeah, see this little shaded pool here? There you go. Oh, I had one. Didn't check my drag. Going with some 6-pound test today, using kind of some light line. It's really clear out here. Well, the wacky rig is the for sure bet here. This is a beautiful area. Ooh, little Wild Creek smallmouth there. Are you not gonna get your leg in here? Let's go on further down.
Oh, those little minnows, they're eating at my legs.
Yeah, some people pay money for that.
Well, I don't want them eating my legs. It's freaking me out.
It's really pretty though, isn't it? It's one of the coolest spots I've ever seen on Wildcat so far. Adams Mill Creek Walk.
Doing good?
Yeah, a couple smallmouth.
Yeah, we fish down here a lot.
Yeah, we're gonna just walk this whole area, man. It looks really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Between the covered bridge and 75, there's some real nice holes. Deep, slow,
Yeah.
got plenty of cover.
This shaded bank line over here is real nice.
Yeah. You're in the right spot, Shady Bay.
Little guy. Oh. No, baby bass. It's more important than catching the small one. Hopefully my son come back. Ooh, there's a big one.
Fucking little bug. I'm coming up to shallow.
Another little one again.
Catch anything? Oh, you got one right there.
Little guys.
Little guy. I haven't caught any yet. The little ones keep nicking at my legs, though.
They just eat the dry skin.
Yeah.
I know.
Right?
Have fun, guys.
You too.
I love your shorts.
Oh, thanks.
Oh man.
Much more nicer this time around.
I used to wait on that lady.
Yeah. Wacky rigging a Wildcat. Time to move on down. Oh, got off. Dang.
There's people fish. Guys, look, there's a cow. Oh, great. Another rocket.
Now, this is pretty a deep area right here. I can't believe it. Oh, nice. Ooh, easy. Oh, you got a good one. Yeah, I got it. Nice. I got your bait. You go look at him. There's your fish. There's a smallie. Little cheek damage there. All right, see you, bub.
It's my only, like, my third smallmouth ever. So. Oh, well, that's awesome. Right?
Well, that was a pretty good catch, man. That was a good size one. I mean, he was about a pound. It was a really good catch.
Did you get it on film?
All right, I'm just gonna move a little further up. There's one. Yeah. Here's another one. Another little guy. Little smallers. Wacky Rig's doing quite well. Yay! Who's having fun in the river? She is.
I love roller skating.
We shredded that. So there, trying to get in a position where I can. There's another one. Wow, he came right there off them rocks, buddy. Oh no, where'd my Senko go? He flipped it. I didn't even see it fly. Ow, bastard. They're so feisty. All right. Very fun place. I'm gonna fish this ripple here. Nope, I'm gonna get stuck is what I'm gonna do. I said way to stay up. Well, we've gotten around the first bend. We've got a little slack area with some shade banks. Ooh. This new American Hero lose ride, I can't really. There he is. Felt him that time. All right, buddy, don't lose. Oh, I'm more worried about saving the Senkos. These dudes are not cheap, buddy. He wasn't too big. If I could just get a little further into the shade, man, my left arm is getting baked.
So was mine. I was just getting ready to see it.
Cooked, bro. Getting Danny Tanner roasted.
Red lobsters.
You go find another brush pile to sit on there, stick. Man, this fly just, dude, he is not giving up. He likes to bite too. The carry you got rappel on.
What kind of bug is that?
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he's right in front of me. Yeah. Yep. Oh, easy now. Easy, buddy.
It's probably your biggest one so far.
Well, I saved the bait.
Oh, it's like this
big and it had a thingy at the front of it.
Well, lost that one. Some good sized smallies in this creek, man. God dang, dude. It's stick master right now.
I turned it on to get some B-roll.
That's booty.
B for booty roll.
You guys catch anything since the last time we went past you?
Several smallmouth.
Got one. You guys must be good luck. He's just a little one.
It's a big dinosaur.
I can't get him off. Yep.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah, got it. Catch, babe.
It's on there for a while.
Don't think you can go wrong with the Senko today. Baby bass was definitely a good choice for that. Got some new pole blues going here. Oh, missed him. Yeah, we can go up here a little further. Did you? Wow. He shredded that Senko in half, didn't he?
Got it.
There you go. Nice.
Hey. I caught one.
Yeah, nice.
I had a feeling to throw it over here, and I did, and guess what?
I was thinking about doing the same thing, but well, this looks great. I'm just gonna start shooting right out here in front of me. This whole area looks great.
Maybe there's one? Oh yeah, there's one. Oh!
Oh, rascals.
I got one.
Nice.
Ah! He was like, bad mama.
Another Wildcat smallie. Okay.
I didn't mean to lose the bait.
I know.
Did it fly off? Let's see if I can get another one.
Yep. Oh, got the Senko. Save the Senko. All right, little. Now look what you did. Now look what you did. You done flipped it around in there. I'm gonna have to wear like special fish holding gloves or something. They're really feisty.
It's so pretty.
Land on my damn arm again. I'm whipping you with my hat. You're gonna be fish food.
Are you gonna put that in the video?
Maybe.
If I farted, only bubbles would come out.
6:30, I think. Oh, it may take a long time to even walk around through this whole thing, but it's really pretty. It's really nice. It's a nice creek walk.
Is that all you've been catching, bass?
Yeah, maybe about a pound and a half, about the biggest.
They're not very big.
It's pretty fun though. How long does that float? Like all the way around this thing?
Yep, all the way around to the other side. I don't know, we've been in here maybe an hour and a half.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty chill.
It's shallow enough you can walk all of it.
We got a few, didn't we? It's pretty fun. Y'all rock free? Well, what we did was we come down here to the Wildcat Creek. We wanted to fish for some smallmouth. We were just using Senkos and Yums, stick baits. And got a few smallmouth down here. It's a really beautiful area. We probably only made it a quarter way up the loop. Always a good place to remember. I'd love to come back here and do this again. This is great. It's a really, really nice area. Cast, roll, and troll. See you next time, guys.